Hello and welcome. This is Safa. In today's video, we are going to explore the difference between scripts and functions in MATLAB. This is a fundamental step before moving on to more advanced programming in MATLAB. A script is simply a collection of MATLAB commands executed in order. A script directly interacts with the workspace, which means variables remain available after execution. Okay, for example, a simple script editor run file name, for example, my script.m and result in command window and workspace. Okay, new file and function. A function lives in its own file. It takes input arguments, processes them, and returns outputs. Variables inside a function are local, meaning they disappear after execution. This makes your code modular and reusable. For example, function result and result equal and end. Run name, file name, my function. Okay, in a command window, type this R my function. For example, 10 and 7. Enter and you can see the result. And here okay, to summarize, a script direct access to workspace. Function use local variable independent of workspace. Scripts have no inputs or outputs. Functions do. Okay, new file for a combined example. A equal 4 B and result my function A and B. Okay, and run. Okay, for example, file name main script and you can see the result. As you can see, we have a main script that calls a function. This structure is a very common in a larger project. So in this session, we learned the difference between scripts and functions in MATLAB and saw practical examples. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.